In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. A watermark is a faint background design or text that appears behind your content on every page, and it's a great way to label a document as confidential, mark a draft, or subtly brand your work without distracting from the main text. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. With your file ready, head to the top of the screen and click the Design tab. This is where Word keeps most of the visual customization tools for your document. On the right side of the ribbon, you'll see an option labeled Watermark. Click that to open your choices. You'll notice a set of preset watermarks right away, such as Confidential or Do Not Copy. If one of these fits your needs, simply select it. Word will instantly place that watermark on every page of your document, lightly behind the text so everything remains readable. This is the fastest way to get professional results with almost no effort. If you want something more tailored, choose Custom Watermark. This opens a dialog box with two main paths. For a text watermark, type the text you want to display, like draft or internal use only. You can choose the font to match your document's style, adjust the size to make the watermark subtle or prominent, and select a color. A soft gray often works well because it's visible without overpowering your content. You can also pick the layout, either diagonal for a more pronounced look or horizontal for a cleaner, understated line across the page. Alternatively, you can use a picture watermark if you prefer a logo or image. Click to select an image from your computer and choose something that complements your document. Aim for a simple, high-quality graphic that won't compete with your text. Remember, the goal is to add context or branding without reducing legibility. Once you've set up your text or image watermark the way you want, click OK. Word will apply the watermark across your entire document, behind all text and objects. Take a moment to scan a few pages to make sure the effect is consistent and your content remains easy to read. If the watermark feels too bold, consider returning to Custom Watermark and adjusting your choices to something lighter. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a professional, consistent watermark to your document using Microsoft Word.